You can hear them finishing up the bowl. Mm-hmm.
Done. Get him. Whee! Come on, Wonton. Come on. Come on. Whee! Get him, Wonton. Go get him. Get him. Get him. You. Woo! I hope it's getting it. Wonton. Get him, Wonton. Get him. Woo! Get him, Wonton. Yeah. Oh boy, Wonton. Ooh. Got a piddles. Got a piddles. Got a piddles, Wonton. Yeah. Get him, Wonton. Whee! Yeah, get him, Wonton. Out of there. Come on. Out of there. Oh, gosh. Oh. Whee! Okay.
The first day with Dr. Marty's dog food, and as you can see, Annie, my miniature dachshund, is taking her food that she had before, and we mixed it, and she's taking those out and eating those.